We are all aware of the harsh weather conditions faced by our skin in summer season due to the high temperature, hot and humid winds. In general, all skin types have to deal with some or other forms of skin issues in summer, but people with sensitive or allergic skin in particular are the most vulnerable in these harsh weather conditions. So, what do we do to face these heat challenge posed by the sun? Hello friends, in reference to this, today I will be sharing with you some of the amazing properties of neem leaves and how you can use its leaves fresh or dried in the form of face packs to benefit from it to get a clear and problem-free skin this summer. Neem leaves are a rich source of antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, which can help you get rid of major summer skin problems you can think of, like blackheads, conditions like dullness caused by sun exposure and pollution, and in particular acne and acne marks too. The healing compounds in neem leaves work at microscopic levels to treat the skin. Neem leaves have multi-purpose uses, be it in health, medicine, or in beauty recipes. Face packs containing neem leaves are very simple to make, yet very effective for day-to-day skin problems. In this video, I will also be sharing some of my very own recipes using neem leaves in face packs, so you can reap its amazing benefits all from the comfort of your home. Before that, you must know that the first step to any good skincare routine is to know your skin type. Also, you should always do a skin patch test first if you have never ever applied it on your face to make sure you are not allergic to it. Usually, neem face pack is suitable for all skin types. It is also a great way to provide your skin with all the care it needs. Depending upon your skin type and requirement, you may add other ingredients as well to your neem face pack. You can include these simple and effective face packs in your daily skincare routine. Its regular use will give you that clear, bright and glowing skin. You can pick any one of these face packs according to your skin issues and greatly benefit from it. 1. Face pack for dry skin. Ingredients you will need: turmeric powder or haldi powder 3 to 4 pinch, neem leaves paste 1 to 2 tablespoons, and milk about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Combine all the ingredients to get a paste of smooth consistency. Apply it on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes or till it is dry. Then gently wash off with normal water. 2. Neem pack for oily skin. Ingredients you will need: neem leaves paste 1 to 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder or haldi 1 to 2 pinch, and sandalwood powder or multani mitti, also called fuller's earth, about 1 teaspoon. Now combine all the ingredients to get a paste of smooth consistency. Apply it on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes or till it is dry. Gently wash off with normal water. 3. Neem pack for clear skin. Ingredients you will need: neem leaves paste 1 to 2 tablespoons, yogurt or dahi 1 to 2 teaspoons, besan or gram flour 1 to 2 teaspoons. As usual, combine all the ingredients to get a smooth paste. Apply it on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then gently wash off with normal water. 4. Neem pack for glowing skin. Ingredients you will need are just fresh neem leaves paste and water as required. Combine both the ingredients to get a paste of smooth consistency and apply it on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes or till it is dry. Gently wash off with normal water. All the 4 types of face packs mentioned here will give you the following visible benefits. 1. It will bring a beautiful glow to your face. 2. It will remove excess oil and sebum from your skin, thereby giving you fresh, even, and bright skin tone. 3. It will clear dead skin cells and remove dullness. 4. It will soothe sunburn. And 5. It will reduce acne marks gradually with regular use. In the end, we are what we eat. Always practice healthy eating habits and a few exercises daily. Keep yourself hydrated, and you should also limit your exposure to the sun at this harsh time of the year. If needed to go outside, armor yourself with a good sunscreen. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. They may find it useful. You may even subscribe to the channel for my latest video updates.